Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair fell 0.1% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The Ultimate Oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Aussie rose 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
BMW AG has signed a long-term deal to secure semiconductors for in-car lighting systems after a global shortage of the components led to shutdowns at some of its factories. The United States became Britain's biggest export market for financial services in the run-up to Brexit, overtaking the European Union where sales shrank in 2020. Visa is launching a new crypto advisory group to meet the needs of its partners and clients that are getting involved in the digital asset space.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT. The U.S. initial jobless claims at 1330 GMT. The Irish Consumer Price Index will be released at 1100 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 1330 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.